welcome to our team.
So, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
And what's your name, please?
My name is Sophia.
And what grade are you in?
Study in grade 11 at Mesa High School.
Okay, good. So, what's your topic today?
Our team pick up grammar for show everyone today.
Okay, so grammar. So, this is about tense, right?
Yes.
Okay, so about English verb tenses. Yeah. So, can you explain me? Yeah.
Okay. We are by Chinese.
Yeah, divide in four.
Yes. And the first.
You are the first speaker. So what's your name, please?
My name is Hana.
Panat.
Hana.
Panat. Okay.
Yes.
So what grade are you in?
Yes.
What grade are you in? What grade do you study? Yeah.
I'm studying in grade 11. I'm studying grade 11 at Mesa High School.
Okay, good. Yeah. So what's your responsibility? So which one?
The first I want to tell you about simple.
Okay, so simple.
Simple has present, past, and future. Yes, for present simple, we use present simple to talk about the action that happen in the that happen again and again every day or habit. Present simple នោះយើងប្រើវានៅក្នុងអតីតកាលយើងប្រើ present simple ហ្នឹងសម្រាប់និយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពដែលកើតឡើងម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃឬក៏ជាទម្លាប់ present simple ហ្នឹងវាមាន form របស់វាគឺ subject plus verb 1 plus object. Yes. Example is right every day. So is right every day ហ្នឹងវានៅpresent simple ដែរ present simple it ហ្នឹងយើងអត់ត្រូវតង់ទៀតទេចាំលើទៅដែរ
Yeah, that's okay.
More past simple. We use past simple to talk about the actions that happened in the past. Past simple ហ្នឹងយើងប្រើវានៅយើងប្រើ past simple ហ្នឹងសម្រាប់និយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពដែលកើតឡើងនៅក្នុងអតីតកាលហើយវាមាន form របស់វា subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example I ate right every day. Yesterday ហ្នឹងវាកើតឡើងដូចទៅហើយ yes ហើយ so I ate ហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវថែមវាមួយ so I ate
Yeah, that's okay.
Then tutor simple. We use tutor simple to talk about the action will be tutor and will be happen in the tutor. យើងប្រើ tutor ធម្មតានៅឆ្នាំនិយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពដែលនៅក្នុងអតីតនៅក្នុងអនាគតហើយវាកើតឡើងនៅពេលអនាគត and then form របស់វាជួយថាsimple ហ្នឹងវាមាន form របស់វា subject plus will plus verb plus object. Example I will eat right tomorrow. Right?
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you for explaining. Yeah.
Thank you.
And who is continue us? Okay, yeah.
Again. You have three tools. Yes, present, past, and future. The first I explain about present. Present continuous is talk about the action that happening in the time of speaking or right now. បានន័យថាបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលកំពុងបន្តគឺនិយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពដែលកំពុងតែបន្តដែលកំពុងតែធ្វើឥឡូវហ្នឹងខណៈពេលឥឡូវហ្នឹងក៏អំឡុងពេលដែលយើងកំពុងនិយាយឬក៏ខណៈពេលឥឡូវហ្នឹង some poor form of present continuous subject plus to be mean and is are plus verb ing plus object. See example I am eating right now. ខ្ញុំកំពុងតែញ៉ាំបាយឥឡូវនេះបានថាសកម្មភាពហ្នឹងគឺកំពុងតែញ៉ាំបានថាអត់តរួចរាល់ទេឈប់កំពុងតែញ៉ាំបាយ Yes. ចំពោះ past continuous talk about the action that happening in the past ចូលនិយាយថាអតីតកាលកំពុងបន្តគឺនិយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពដែលកំពុងតែធ្វើប៉ុន្តែវាស្ថិតនៅក្នុងអតីតកាលធ្វើនៅពេលអតីតកាលចំពោះ form of past continuous មាន subject plus was over plus verb ing plus object. See example I was eating right at or 7 a.m. yesterday បើខ្ញុំកំពុងញ៉ាំខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារនៅម៉ោង 7 ព្រឹកកាលពីម្សិលមិញសកម្មភាពហ្នឹងបានធ្វើរួចរាល់ហើយតាំងពីម្សិលមិញតែឈរចំពោះ future ខាង US អនាគតកំពុងបន្តdefinition is talk about the action happening over a period of time in the future បើថាអនាគតកំពុងបន្តគឺនិយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពទាំងឡាយណាដែលកំពុងតែធ្វើក្នុងរយៈពេលមួយនៃពេលវេលានៅក្នុងពេលអតីតកាលនៅក្នុងពេលអនាគតកាលមិនថាយើងកំពុងតែធ្វើទៅអីform of future continue គឺមាន subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object see example I will be eating rice at 7 a.m. tomorrow ខ្ញុំនឹងញ៉ាំបាយនៅម៉ោង 7 ព្រឹកនៅថ្ងៃស្អែកបានន័យថា plan ទុកគឺញ៉ាំនៅពេលថ្ងៃស្អែក Teacher that's all thank for listening
Thank you I hope perfect yeah who is person responsible for present perfect so what's your name please
my name is Manut
Manut oh Manut okay so what grade you in
I grad at 9
grade 9
I grad at 12
oh you are in grade 12 yeah
yes
yeah so let's start yeah
tell me about perfect present past and future the word present perfect use present perfect to talk about the description of actions which happen at some time in the past but we don't exactly we don't know exactly គេប្រើ past present perfect ហ្នឹងដើម្បីនិយាយពីសកម្មភាពមួយដែលបានកើតឡើងរួចហើយនៅក្នុងអតីតកាលប៉ុន្តែវាជាក់ពីវាឯងសម្រាប់ form present perfect subject plus had ឬក៏ has plus verb 3 plus object example I have eaten all the right ខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំបាយរួចហើយpast perfect we use past perfect to talk about two actions which happened in the past on of this finish in the I raised them to order I can wait I ហើយក៏phảiហ្នឹងនិយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពពេលដែលបានកើតឡើងមួយហើយនៅក្នុងអតីតកាលប៉ុន្តែមានសកម្មភាពមួយកើតឡើងមួយសកម្មភាពមួយទៀតexample I form past perfect subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object I had eaten rice before you arrived ខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំបាយហើយមុនពេលដែលអ្នកមក future perfect we use future perfect to talk about the describe future action and future action will finish before another or before certain time គេនិយាយពីសកម្មភាពមួយដែលបានកើតឡើងនៅក្នុងអតីតកាលមុនសកម្មភាពមួយទៀតឬមុនពេលសកម្មភាពមួយដែលបានមក
okay
so form of future perfect subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus object example I will have eaten all the right before you arrive ថាខ្ញុំនឹងបានញ៉ាំបាយរួចហើយមុនពេលដែលអ្នកមក yes
that's all
yes that's all
thank you for your describing yeah you are the last speaker and the last turn right
Yes.
so can you explain me yeah
Definition of present perfect continue to talk about an action or situation that starts the past and is still continue in the present. Present perfect continue ហ្នឹងគឺចង់និយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពឬស្ថានភាពដែលចាប់ផ្ដើមនៅអតីតកាលហើយវាក៏អាចបន្តមកដល់បច្ចុប្បន្ន Form as subject plus has or have means plus verb ing plus object. For example, I have been eating rice all day today. ខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំបាយជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ For past perfect continue. Past perfect continue to talk about two past action and one continue still the second began. pass perfect continue នេះនិយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពអតីតកាលពីដែលកើតឡើងជាបន្តបន្ទាប់ for របស់វា subject plus being plus verb ing plus object for example I have been eating arrive for 50 minutes before you arrive ខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំបាយអស់រយៈពេល15នាទីមុនអ្នកមកដល់ future perfect continue future perfect continue to talk about action finish before a point in the future future perfect continue ចង់និយាយអំពីសកម្មភាពសកម្មភាពអតីតកាលដែលអាចនឹងបញ្ចប់នៅពេលអនាគត One about there, subject plus will has been plus verb ing plus object. For example, I will have been eating for an hour before you arrive. ខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំបាយ1ម៉ោងមុននឹងអ្នកមកដល់
That's all.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes, thank you everyone for your answer. Yeah,
This is first time of my team and
that's good.
First time for
Great.
later
Yes,
I'm
great.
trying for my best.
Yes, great.
Thank you.